Hi, welcome to today's masterclass. So, today this is going to be a masterclass for health conscious adults, pre diabetics, and type 2 diabetics. What is this class about? It's about how you can reverse your type 2 diabetes without a lifetime of medication in just 90 days. So, you can enjoy stable blood sugar, improved energy, and long term health freedom. Who am I? I am Dr. Gagandeep Singh. I am founder of Redial Clinic and we reverse diabetes scientifically. So let me ask you this. What is the reality you're living with? Are you living with high sugar despite taking medication? Are you scared of future complications like kidney or eye failure? Are you confused by all the conflicting advice you see online on food and fitness? If you just nodded yes to any one of these problems, this video is exactly for you. So in this video, we're going to cover three secrets. What's the first secret? Why are most diabetics working on the symptoms rather than the cause? The second secret, what are most common misconceptions about diabetes treatment? And third secret, how to get better sugar levels with less or no medications. So by learning these secrets and implementing the strategies, let's give some examples. This is a patient of mine, Nitin Chandra, right? This is his picture. So he safely took out medications, reversed hypertension and diabetes, and brought his HbA1c from 7.9 to 5.4 in just 2 months. Earlier, he used to be tired of medication. He had a heart attack as well. A stent was placed in his heart. He had chronic hypertension, chronic diabetes, all uncontrolled. After that, after the program, he is not on any medication. He has healthy blood sugar levels and a healthy blood pressure as well. Another patient. This lady's name is Kanchana. She was around 65 years of age, reversed her diabetes in just 4 months without any medication. Earlier, she had very high HbA1c, weight was at 72 kgs, overweight for her height. Then she could reverse her diabetes in 4 months, lost 15 kgs with our lifestyle changes and expert care. She is now perfectly healthy and thriving. Another patient. This lady's name is Neha Puri. She reversed diabetes in 2.5 months. Again, got off medications. High blood sugar levels, very obese, lots of hormonal issues. After the program, she could eliminate her diabetes medication totally, and she had a significant amount of weight loss as well. So many more like these patients have got tremendous results. These are just some of the people we deal with on a daily basis. So by the end of this session, you'll know exactly what should you stop doing and what to start if you actually want to reverse diabetes, not just keep managing it. So before we proceed, here are some ground rules. So what are the ground rules? First, make sure you have a notebook and a pen, right? So you can note down what is happening. Then finish what you start. Every topic would lead to the next topic. If you miss one, you will miss out on the flow of the entire video. And be fully present and aware. Don't be distracted. Your health is at stake. You must pay attention. You'll get a free bonus at the end. So please watch the full video till the end. Who is this training for? This is for type 2 diabetes patients who are tired of taking pills, pre-diabetics looking to avoid full-blown disease, and patients who are currently frustrated with their health results. So let's get started. So let me share a little bit about myself and my journey as well. I am Dr. Gagandeep Singh. I'm founder of Redial Clinic. In the last few years, what have I done? So I have helped 1,000 plus people reverse type 2 diabetes. I have built my own protocol. It's called the Rapid Reversal Protocol. It's backed by scientific research. This is not something that's just a marketing name or gimmick. This is an actual metabolic protocol that we've developed over the last 10 years. And we have enabled insulin dependent patients to go completely medication free. So, insulin dependent patients, almost the more or the most advanced stage of diabetes, where the pills are not working, you are on insulin injections, even those can go completely medication free. I've been featured in various newspapers. As I said, we've designed multiple metabolic protocols for chronic disease management. But this was not how always things were. So I didn't always believe that reversal was possible. So before, I was working with diabetic patients in a more conventional medical setup, more focused on drugs and, just giving medication. So I noticed people were constantly increasing their dosage. They were developing kidney issues, feeling hopeless, despite following everything that the doctor told them. And that was a point of concern. So it was very frustrating. The same cycle repeated. Medicines lead to more medicines. Then, because the sugar isn't controlled, that leads to complications and side effects. Nobody addressed the root causes like insulin resistance, inflammation going on in the body, or stress. So patients were just managing the blood sugars. They were not actually healing. So that's when I realized that modern diabetes care is pretty much broken. How is it broken? Because everybody is just focusing on the symptoms. So I knew we had to change the way we treat chronic diseases. That's when I founded Redial Clinic to offer a complete reversal framework. So we discovered the science behind insulin resistance and its root causes, the hormonal dysfunction like cortisol, leptin, sleep disruption. What is the link between nutritional choices, inflammation in the body, blood sugar spikes? So today we've helped 1,000 plus patients reduce or eliminate their diabetes medications, normalize their HbA1c, and restore energy, weight, and confidence, all without any crash diets or medical complications. So at Redial Clinic, we don't treat diabetes, we reverse it. How do we reverse it? With a structured, sustainable, doctor-led path that's designed for long-term health. So I was determined to help all the diabetics who felt stuck and unheard. That's exactly what I'm going to cover now. So you can take out your pen and notepad. This next part could be life-changing. This could be the very thing that you need to improve your health status. So first secret, why do most diabetics never achieve true reversal? So what is the problem here? People think if I take medicine, my diabetes is under control. I am taking medicine, diabetes level is 200 or below 200 and it is fine. Right? My sugars are below 200. My doctor says that's good enough. This is a lot of the common thinking and the common beliefs we get from our patients. My doctor says medication is a must. Diabetes isn't reversible. It's a lifelong disease. So, what is the truth? What actually happens? Glucose still fluctuates. Medications keep increasing over time. And all your vital organs, the brain, the heart, the kidney, they are silently suffering. What is the actual reality that you should be having? So, lowering sugar is not the same as reversing diabetes. This is very important. You must improve how your body responds to insulin. The very core, the crux of diabetes is insulin resistance. So, the real problem is insulin resistance, which is triggered by incorrect use of medication, poor nutritional choices, and poor activity choices. What is the solution? You should simply do this. One, you should work on the root cause of the disease. Then you should try and reduce medication instead of increasing the medication. And thirdly, you must pay a lot more attention to nutrition and exercise rather than just getting on the medication part. So, work on the root cause, try and reduce the medication and the dependence on the medication, and pay more attention to diet and exercise. What's the proof? We talked about Nitin Chandra. He had high HbA1c, hypertension, a lot of medications with no results. After the program, he could reduce his HbA1c, not on any medication, healthy blood sugars, no hypertension. Now we come to the second secret. What are the common misconceptions about diabetes treatment? So you've been told, diabetes is in your genes, it's in your family history, it cannot be reversed, or you just need to walk more, just walk 5,000 steps, 10,000 steps a day, or just meetha khana band kar do, you can stop eating sweets and the diabetes is going to get better. And very importantly, that there's no cure to diabetes. You can only control it, you can only manage it. So, why is this problem? There's a lot of blind medication without testing. You are told that you have X sugar, just take this Y medication. This sugar is going to be fixed with this medication. There's no data monitoring or accountability that if the sugar doesn't come down, what are we going to do or how are we going to monitor it? And there is a complete dependence on either pills or insulin injections. This leads to progressive beta cell burnout. So, beta cells are the insulin producing cells of the pancreas. If they burn out, then the insulin production in the body will permanently stop. So, here is what you actually need to know. You can definitely reverse diabetes when you're guided by a scientific root cause based approach. You have data driven, doctor led insights. So, a doctor is actually monitoring your data, and you have a tested, structured plan that tells you exactly what to do. Trial and error is going to be very, very costly in the long run because all the time you're doing trial and error, what is happening? Your body, your organs are continuously getting damaged. So, what does conventional care skip or ignore? There's no importance to diet and exercise. They're not focusing on insulin resistance at all. And there's no integration of your lifestyle with the medication. And most importantly, there's no accountability for the result. Tomorrow, you can't ask your doctor that, my sugar hasn't come down or it's not controlled. Why am I dependent on medication? What is the solution for this? They will just not answer. What do we do instead? We have deep diagnostic panels. We will run blood work, find the insulin resistance, find the metabolic imbalances that normally routine tests always miss. We have a complete data-driven nutrition protocol. We'll see exactly what is working for your body and make the nutritional plan accordingly. So every food recommendation is based on your biomarkers. It's not a guesswork or a generic diet plan. And similarly, fitness and exercise is customized. There are customized protocols with one-on-one coaching that's tailored to your specific condition. And thirdly, the medication management is also customized. We use medication as a temporary means of supporting the body till the other things that we are doing start working. But again, that is customized, and the focus is on reducing medication rather than increasing the medication. What's the proof? We talked about Mrs. Kanchana. She was overweight, had joint pain, very high HbA1c, daily medications, no results. Now she's very healthy, good HbA1c, lost a lot of weight, freedom from medication, all at the age of 65 years. What's the third secret? How do you get better sugar levels with less or no medications? So, what are the ignored factors we've talked about? There's nobody talking about the relationship of diet to insulin resistance, the relationship of exercise to insulin resistance, and the importance of data monitoring in reversing diabetes. So these create a vicious cycle of insulin resistance. Mood and energy crashes, your body composition worsens. What's the solution? You analyze the lifestyle mistakes that you are doing, monitor the data regularly, and make incremental long-term changes. What's the proof? You can look at Neha Puri, we talked about her, overweight patient, diabetic, lots of side effects of medication. In just 2.5 months, she was able to reverse her diabetes, lose weight, and get rid of the medications. So, what are the three secrets that you just learned? One, why most diabetics are just working on the symptoms. That's the sugar levels rather than the cause of the disease. What are the common misconceptions or scientific truths about reversal? And how do you get better sugar levels with less or no medication? So, what are the options here? What should you do? This is the first option that you do it yourself. What is the problem with doing it yourself? You can spend months or even years trying random diets, supplements, YouTube routines, what you saw on Instagram, half-baked advice. You can constantly battle fluctuating sugar levels without real clarity on what is working for you. Or you will waste time, money, and energy without seeing any sustainable or long-term results. And you risk worsening your condition or becoming dependent on even stronger medication. It's the slower, riskier, and more frustrating path. Second option. Let's talk about what you've already probably tried. Chances are you've tried standard diet charts, fitness programs, or walking routines, generic advice from friends or family, do this, don't do that, eat this, don't eat rice, don't eat potatoes, all generic advice. Also from YouTube videos, wellness influencers, be it on Instagram, be it on any online platform. What is the result? Temporarily, the sugar dips, but there must be a rebound spike, leading to increased frustration and fatigue. None of these are fixing the core dysfunction within your metabolic system. So, how do you scientifically solve diabetes? By targeting the root causes, not just the sugar levels. That's the third option. We follow a very, very structured, that's the important word, structured, clinically guided protocol. We have a repeatable system which is built on real-time biomarkers, lab diagnostics, and supervised progression. Our solution isn't trial and error. It's what we call algorithmic lifestyle medicine. How do we do this? We use a very proprietary three-stage diabetes reversal model. Stage one, we assess and quantify your metabolic health. We do a detailed metabolic assessment, figure out your lifestyle mistakes, do a detailed fitness assessment as well. Stage two, we do a reset. We restore insulin sensitivity. We start progressive medication withdrawal, all under a doctor's eye. Stage three, we recode. We enhance beta cell function. We establish long-term metabolic resilience. And always remember, these are not tips or tricks. These are engineered biological resets, and they are personalized for every patient. This is why our results are always predictable, measurable, and medically supervised. So let's talk about where your current approach may be going wrong. If you're relying purely on medication, then you're only managing symptoms. not fixing the actual disease mechanism. Reversal requires inputs across nutrition, movement, sleep, stress, and internal cellular function, all coordinated together. Think of it like this. Just like you can't build muscle with protein alone, you can't reverse diabetes with medicine alone. Most people don't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because of lack of a system. Without a system, the result is more meds, higher HbA1c, lower energy, and a higher long-term risk of damage and complications. So the true cost isn't just more medication, it's loss of vitality, mobility, and freedom. The good news is all this can be reversed. So we've helped over 1,000 patients achieve real reversal without medication, without shortcuts. In less than 30 days, you'll notice visible shift in your sugar levels, energy, cravings. How do we do this? We do this with the RAPID protocol. RAPID stands for Redial's Personalized Diabetes Reversal Protocol. We use weekly doctor supervised progressions, certified metabolic coaches, and lab monitored nutritional planning. So, what's the step-by-step pathway? Our patients are always guided, they are never left on autopilot. So, if you're someone who's done trying random fixes, who's serious about fixing your health at the root cause, and you are ready to follow a proven protocol, you are the kind of person we can definitely help. Let's be very clear, this is not for everyone. This is not for people who are looking for quick fixes or magical results, or those who are unwilling to make any meaningful changes, or anyone who thinks that taking more pills is the answer. This is for committed individuals who actually want true reversal, not symptom suppression. If you're still watching, you are likely ready to do this. And here is what happens next. Here's the bonus we promised you. No generic advice, no copy paste plans. You book a one-on-one discovery call with us. On this call, we'll understand your medical history, your current regimen, and we understand conclusively if diabetes reversal is an option for you. And we give you a custom roadmap for diabetes reversal. This call is 100% personalized. It is obligation free. There are no pushy sales tactics that, buy this is the discount, nothing. If it is a fit, we'll offer you a spot in our program. If it's not, you'll still walk away with clarity on what your next step could be. Either way, you win. So, you can click the link below and apply now for your one-on-one discovery call. Let's help you regain control of your body, your energy, and your future. We'll see you on the call.